Today we're reviewing the LEGO Duplo train set. Included are 2 figures, lots of accessories, and a steam train with real sound effects. First, let's unbox everything. It comes with 52 LEGO Duplo pieces that we put together using the building instructions. Here we can see everything. Included are tracks, pieces to the steam train, and a lot more. Now let's start to set it all up. The steam train is set up and can now take its first lap. Let's continue with the train station. Now everything is completely set up. The train station, and the fueling pump. Let's check it out. It comes with a little girl that has an orange suitcase that you can open. It's not that easy to open, but it has enough space for lots of travel items. Also included is a goat. A signal, the fueling pump, and the train station. Let's let the train drive another lap, so we can seat the train driver inside the train. To do this, you have to remove the light blue roof. Bend the driver's legs and you can seat him inside the cab. And then put the roof back on. After that, you can drive forward or have the train drive a full lap again. We can also refuel the train with this fueling pump. The train not only has sound effects while driving, but it also has cool sound effects when you refuel it. On the top, there's a small hole with a black button. And if you use the thin fuel hose and nozzle to push the button inside the hole, we can hear the gurgling sound as it refuels. Here we can see it again. Just put the fuel nozzle into the small hole, and then you'll hear the refueling sound. To seat passengers, in this case the girl, remove the blue covers from the passenger wagon. Just bend her legs here, and the girl can ride the train. You can also remove the black roof to store her suitcase. Now let's put the second roof back on. Now the train can drive its laps together with the train driver and the girl as passenger. Now let's look at the train station. On top, there's a station clock. Below, a window that we can open, a red roof, and of course the goat. He plays an important role in every train station. And that's my review of the LEGO Duplo My First Train set. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like, you can watch some more right here. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to this channel.